Hi, I'm Luigi Groton, Vice President of Nutrition Education. Lesson 3 of Nutrition and Brain Health is all about taking what you've learned in the first two lessons and building on it to make it part of your daily life. Before we get into our lesson, let's preview what supports proper brain health. Just like the body needs a healthy, active life, so does the brain. And that includes mental and physical exercise, stress reduction, having a positive outlook, staying socially active, and sticking to a healthy diet. Also, keep in mind everything learned in Lesson 2 for maintaining the best possible nutrition. Let's look more at how you can put it all into practice. Welcome back to the Herbalife Nutrition Education Program. During this lesson, we'll give you some tips to maintain a healthy brain. Let's get started. The brain is the center of all your thoughts and emotions. The brain uses nerve signals that are sent out all through the body to direct the movements of your arms and legs and the function of all your organs and your heart and circulatory system. Brain cells have two ends, one for receiving and one for sending signals. Dendrites are the receivers, and they receive signals through special proteins on their surface. Brain cells send out signals through fibers called axons. Depending on how they are organized, nerve cells send signals from the brain to the body or from the body to the brain. The tiny electrical signals from billions of nerve cells create all of the amazing functions of the brain. Balanced nutrition is vital for healthy brain function. Brain cells need carbohydrates as glucose for energy. Brain cells need healthy fat to make the coverings of the axons. Brain cells need certain amino acids from proteins to make signal-carrying chemicals called neurotransmitters. The brain is one of the most important organs in your body. It needs to be supported with healthy blood flow from your heart, healthy nutrition, and a healthy active life. In addition, you should use your brain to keep it fit. Just like your muscles, use it or lose it. Learning a new language, doing crossword puzzles, or playing other memory games may keep this area of your brain active. Your diet affects the brain chemicals that influence your mood and behavior, the thought processes and emotional reactions that ultimately create the story of your life. What you eat is within your power to control, or, more accurately, your willpower to control. The more you know about the food-brain connection, the more empowered you are to make dietary decisions that benefit your brain. Your diet affects each of the nerve cells in your brain by providing the nutrition that the cells use to make the signals that carry information throughout the brain. In order to reduce the risk of memory loss with age, we need to take care of our body from birth. By engaging in active learning throughout life, we will help maintain brain health in our later years. Achieving and maintaining a healthy body weight through balanced nutrition and a healthy active life will help maintain your brain health. When it comes to the brain, the same idea applies as with muscles. Use it or lose it. Learning a new language or a musical instrument may help keep your brain sharp. A healthier brain can be achieved with mental exercises, such as reading books and newspapers, playing chess, and completing crossword puzzles. The key is to use parts of your brain that you don't use in your daily life. Being together with friends in a club or team may help you solve problems so you are less stressed. You can learn together about healthy habits, such as good nutrition, exercise, and brain fitness games. A group activity improves your brain power. Social exchanges force us to think, respond to new topics of conversation, and formulate new responses. Be with your friends, become a volunteer, and work with people. Take regular outings to new places and new countries. Let your eyes see new sights, Your ears hear new sounds, and your tongue tastes new foods. Starting a new group activity has a double advantage. You are improving your brain power with the new activity. Keep your brain active, absorbing new ideas and responding to them. When you pay attention to what you eat, you are also helping to maintain your brain health. Every brain cell needs the right amount of protein and micronutrients to function. Remember that your brain determines every action your body takes, whether voluntary or involuntary. So it is important to give your brain the proper nutrition. The brain needs a steady supply of carbohydrates and proteins to function. Maintaining a healthy brain includes eating complex carbohydrates and protein to provide a steady supply of energy, which lowers the incidence of brain fatigue. Eating small meals throughout the day will ensure that your brain gets the nutrition it needs to keep functioning and to avoid afternoon crashes. An afternoon crash can make you tired and irritable. It is a good idea to limit simple sugars found in white bread and cookies. Replace them with fruits, which provide natural sugars and fiber. For instance, breakfast can be a protein shake with fruit. For lunch or dinner, enjoy a salad and some protein to keep up the energy level for work-related tasks. Also, a protein snack bar may be enjoyed in the late afternoon or early evening. Did you know that people in India have a low incidence of memory loss? It may be because they eat a lot of spices. One reason curries may be helpful is that they often contain turmeric. Turmeric has high levels of curcumin, which has been shown in animal studies to improve memory. Other spices in curries, such as ginger, cinnamon, and garlic, have health benefits as well. The brain, like other parts of the body, reflects the types of fat, both good and bad, that are found in your diet. Fish and fish oils have a reputation as brain food. Increasing fish oils in the diet can support brain function by affecting the fats in the brain. Moderate exercise increases the circulation of blood to the brain, which nourishes the cells with nutrients and oxygen. You may find it easier to exercise and stick to it if you exercise in the evening after a stressful day. Start by choosing an activity that you enjoy and set reachable goals. Try using the stairs instead of using the elevator, and try parking your car farther from the building to encourage more walking. Remember that everyone's health situation is different, so you should always consult with your doctor first when beginning a new exercise program. There is increasing evidence that demonstrates that chronic stress can actually wear away at brain performance and overall memory. Experiencing stress is a part of everyday life. However, persistent stress can be very harmful for your body. If you cannot entirely eliminate stress from your life, do your best to minimize it. Did you know that sleep gives your brain a chance to restore its energy levels? Sleep may help to restore the brain's function. Most adults need about 8 hours of sleep per night, but many people don't sleep that much. A brief mid-afternoon nap can help restore your energy if you don't get enough sleep at night. Siesta, anyone? Avoid smoking and heavy drinking, as these behaviors affect brain health. Addictive behaviors like smoking and drinking alcohol in excess can also cause you to ignore healthy nutrition. Remember, healthy nutrition is needed for a healthy brain. Keeping your heart and circulatory system healthy are important steps in supporting brain function. Many times, poor blood flow can lead to poor brain function with aging. One way to maintain healthy blood flow to the brain and other organs is to take an arginine supplement every day. It is also important to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight and eat a balanced diet to maintain a healthy heart. Good work! You've completed another lesson in the Herbalife Nutrition Education Program. Next time, we'll review what we've learned. See you at the next meeting.